Okay. Wait. Okay. Stop Operation 1, bro. Bro, your voice are still staring at me. So I'm gonna climb in your ass, your black boy. He's still smiling. You're not even. I'm gonna kill them now. Just stop the move. And he stares like, okay. So what you're doing, bro? Up you us, bro. Wait, I'm gonna water. Okay, water time. Sorry guys, sorry I'm gonna pee. Okay, I'm gonna pee. What the heck? Okay, I have wet hands. Okay, what it can say? Bro, is so tired. What you did said, bro? Then why I see is shattered. Why is still purple then it turned blue? I didn't know. Wait a minute, forget coffee. Bro. And your health is better to us. Finally. I'm gonna add you still with pregnant. Just joking, don't like pregnant. I'm not even a car, bro. I'm a boy. Oh, look at this monkey. Bro, you're not even. Stop looking at me. Sappy. Just joking. Just wait it, bro. Just wait it, Michael. Where is Michael? Finally, I can. Wait a minute. Purple and purple. Why is it purple, bro? One. Oh, I am 10 yes, black boy ako, pero Tagalog ang dito. Ako Tagalog nakalbo to, biltan mo na. Ewan naman Biltan mo na. Tutuka. Sige, kami nga lang. Hindi pa to kasi to blue on bed. Just joking. I skip the doctor like a monkey. Dry dice the teeth. Heck no. I don't like wasting that ugly position he says. Duckling. Oh no. Don't duckling. Shut up. Philippines. Yung check the criminal. Okay, is this a monkey? That monkey? No, it's not. No, it's not a murder. But I think it's an anomaly. Bro, I'm seeing you, bro. Hey bro, heck. I know that is anomaly. I know it's an anomaly. Sorry. It's an anomaly. An anomaly. I know that. Fine if this is the curse of my ass. Okay, you'll have a spike. Bro. Animal have no spike. Only the deer. But it is still a demon. Bro, it's how normal now. This one, no more. I'm gonna kick my ass again. What? Kick you in a patient. I'm gonna kick you in a B. B chord. Okay. You're good. Let me check the camera. That he is staring at me. Hey boy, what are you doing? Because I'm gay. Okay, I'm not serious, bro. It's blue, bro. I thought it's yellow. Bro, Barney, I hate Barney. Reject it, bro. I don't like you, bro. What happened? I reject it. After I reject it, Barney don't like it because this is a road. This is a long. This is rude. Now she's rude. Now because the road is the think is the coffee. I'm gonna go to your patient. You gotta be patient. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna kick. Bro, I don't like that, okay? But Barney said, oh my gosh, okay, I'm gonna deal with this boy. So sus. Okay, don't like this ugly click or click. He said, I'm bored, I'm possessed. Don't listen to them. Cause I'm gay. Stop click or click. Stop click. I don't like his. I don't like. Bro, see, it's my course pro. Then I'm just. I thought he gonna click that boy. See, it's not a bro. But you're possessed. You're a possessed man. Okay, I'm gonna kill that mother. Okay. You will talk to me? Oh, you! Angry face. Oh crap, we need to make a ball. Shit. Got it. Ow, my. Why so many? Yes. Ow! Jump! Ow! Ow! So many! Ow! Oh, I already have coffee. Okay, you want some coffee? Coffee! Coffee! Oh, Regelova! Fefe! Yapu papi! Brejedova! Hesu! He! Tura Rudi! Ratiu! Ratiu! Dakuri! I already know. He's looking at me. First, I'm gonna do this. What is she? Don't bro. That. Who's this? That you. Alam mong kiyag. Pero serious to take ka I look like a monkey. Shut up, bro. I don't like. Shut up, boy. Hey, stop looking at me. Sorry. Hello. Okay, don't like my leg. My. Don't forget that monkey. This one. I know kiss me. Listen mo para family. Bro, stop doing that. Primo cough syrup. Primo and cough syrup. Primo and cough syrup. Trimo. Bye bye. Yes, I thought he gonna die. I'm gonna. He's yapping now. I'm gonna.